So what we were discussing, yeah. Okay, what we were discussing is basically, yes, now it's okay, no? Isuri, where's your folder now? Ah, Isuri, yes, we have done. Good. Please move the file also, yes, done. Good. Okay, I think everyone did. Very good. So what I'm going to do today, because I'm going to add another folder, this is for activities. Hereafter, you can share your practicals. So when you do a practical, take a print screen, especially when you have done the type in one. So take a print screen of your speed and the accuracy and upload to your folder after the practical. So then I can see your progress. Whatever you do. So if you have a special thing, if you have done found special shortcut, or if you have done any kind of special new thing, any discovery, any activity, you can just upload to your folder in the Google Drive. Then we can see. Right. As an activity, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a small activity to you. So this is the activity, and I'll upload this today. Actually, now itself I can upload. So this is actually kind of assignment to you. In each of these steps, there are 14 steps. In each of these steps, take a screenshot of your desktop, the first one, then create a folder and rename it using grade 8 activities. Do this in your computer, right? Do this in your computer. Take a print screen and attach to this. So the first activity, you can add the print screen of your desktop. Take a screenshot of your desktop and add it to here. So it's like this. If your print screen is something like this, screenshot එකක් අරගෙන desktop එකේ ඒක මෙතනට දාන්න. ඊට පස්සේ create a folder and rename folder එකක් හදලා rename කළ grade 8 activities. ඒකේ print screen එකක් අරගෙන ඒක දාන්න මෙතනට. එහෙම activity එකෙන් activity එක කරන්න. Complete all the activities. Take a screenshot of your desktop, create a folder and rename, make a copy of that and rename it as testing, then copy pictures from this folder to your folder, then cut the PNG images. Likewise, there are steps. So all 14 activities do, and finally you can upload your folder to Google Drive, but this is finally 13. As a password protected zip file with 123 as the password. We did this actually. I just want to see whether you can do this alone. We have done this actually, all these activities we have done. Now let's see whether you can do this. Okay, I'll add this to your Google Drive. I'll save this. Okay, save. And I'm going to add this to your Google Drive. And note also you can download from Google Drive, right? Note then Google Drive you can download, and time to time we will send this to your home as a postal letter. I think some of you got the notes, right? This is the activity, and let me add this to the Google Drive. I think now you can see that. Activities. Here's the activity. File, open recent, grade 8 activities. File, save as. Yeah, it is in desktop. Grade 8 activities. I don't know, I can find that. Oh yeah. So I'll add this to your Google Drive. Now you can complete it. Next day actually. So check whether you can see the activities file in your activities folder and kindly complete
Yes,
that.
we can.
Okay, so you have to take a copy again, right? Don't edit that. Then there will be a problem. Take a copy of that and move to your folder similar to what you have done now. දැන් කලින් කරා වගේම තමයි. Activities වල copy එකක් ගන්න ඒකල්ලා ඔයාගේ folder එකට දාගන්න. So move to your folder and then complete the activity and put it into the Google Drive. Okay. So is there any questions, any difficulties, any problems?
Oh, sure.
Right. Okay. Great. So anyone? කාට හරි තේරුම් නැති කවුරු හරි මේ ඉන්නවද? අහන්න ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන.
Sir, can you please send that link again?
Link of this one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll share this. But it's anyway, it's there in your Gmail, right? You have sent this to Gmail, ne? So it's there in the Gmail.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, I have sent this again. To chat, I have sent this again. Okay, other than that, is there any other activities? Any other thing that you want to know? You can do a lot with Google Drive, right? So you can customize your folder. For an example, if I want to customize my folder, let's say I just want to customize note folder. Right click, I can change the color. If I don't like this color, I can change the color. You can also change color of your folder. Right.
Sir, I turned it to blue.
Oh, right, okay, right. So notes, this one also I'm going to change the color to some other color. Or let's
Sir,
change.
I can't. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
I can't copy that folder.
Copy which folder?
Activities.
Don't copy the folder, right? Copy the file. Here, take a copy of file. Right click and make a copy. Right? Don't copy the folder. Right click and make a copy of this file, right?
Sir, I can't see any file.
You can't see any. Have you clicked this one? Link එකෙන් යන්න බලන්න ආයේ. Please go and refresh. You can see that. Rovinu, your folder is also there. Yeah. Your folder is also there and you didn't move that, no? So where's your file? Rovinu, කරේ නැද්ද කලින් එක? කරාද?
ඒක කරන්න බෑ සර්. කොපි කරාට ඒක කොපි වෙන්නේ.
කොපි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකෙන්ද ආ කොපි කරේ? ඔයා ෆෝන් එකෙන් දෙන්නේ?
ඔව්. ෆයිල් එක කොපි කරා.
Can you go to folder? Your folder, ඔයාගේ folder එකට යන්න පුළුවන්ද රොවිනු?
ඔව්.
Then do something like this. You have to download the file. Right? Go to this and download the file. That you can do, no? Download කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
Yes, sir.
Okay, download and then go to your folder and upload the file to your folder.
So I put the document.
Okay, good. Download කළා රොවිනු ආයෙ යන්න ඔයා ඊට පස්සේ upload එකට. ඔයාගේ folder එක ඇතුළට ගිහලා upload කරන්න. එතකොටත් හරි. එහෙම පුළුවන්ද? එහෙම පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. මොකද ආ folder එක හදලානේ. If you have created the folder, then you can do.
So check Rovinu Atmira's folder.
Yeah, that one. Yes, Rovinu, now you have done. Good.
Not I did it for him.
You did it for him. You have just copied. Okay, someone else has copied to your folder. And you can also do that, Rovinu. No worries. You can just download. Go to notes and download the file. And then go back to your folder and upload the file back. That should also work.
Sir, I did it.
Right, okay. Good. Okay, then, so please complete the activity, right? Please see the activity. Now activities, anyway, activities they are in Rovinu's folder also. I'll check this. So if you cannot do still, I think, yes, the Jihan's activities, they are right. Okay. Likewise, if you cannot do this, don't worry. Please let me know using WhatsApp. Then I can help you personally to complete this activity. Right. So there are some new students. I know they have some problems, struggling with some issues. But don't worry. With the time, you will adjust. Right. Then with the time, you will learn this. Anyway, we can help you in the practical. Especially, we can help you to complete the activity. Okay, then, so please go through the note, right? I have sent you the note, grade 8.1. Please use it. Read it from the top to bottom. Read it from top to bottom. And, right, understand. And I'll share the note here also. If anyone need, I can share this to the Zoom chat also.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after I send my TeamViewer ID and password, what to do?
After that, the lab people will log into your computer and help you to do the activity. They will give the activity, right? They will give the activity and help you doing the activity. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I have sent the file to your chat also. So please check this. If you missed, you can download from there also. Right, then good night. See you all next week. Right?
God bless you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
And
Excuse me,
sir.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, got me. Quickly tell.